Hi, my name is Anders Kongstad. I am the Managing Director of FlexoWash. FlexoWash is a company which was founded 30 years ago by my father, Henning Kongstad. He founded this company because he saw the need for automatic cleaning for the label industry and the flexible packaging industry.
Innovation has been a driving force at FlexoWash from day one. It all started by Henning Kongstad being a label printer in Denmark. He came up with the idea of taking an old dishwasher, and after a while Henning and our brother got it to work, and after that he supplied parts washers for the label printers in Denmark and gradually began exporting to other countries.
One of the ground ideas for FlexoWash is to meet the customer at the customer's need. And we look at the parts that the customer needs to clean, whether it's analoxes, plates or parts. So we try to focus on what is the need for cleaning for this customer, and then we take these needs and we try to customize our machines and improve the process every day.